Ava, I said something wrong in Spanish yesterday.
Oh no, what did you say?
I wanted to say I'm embarrassed. I said the wrong word.
Oh, really? Okay, did you stop talking or keep going?
I kept going, red face and everything.
Good, that's exactly right. That's the whole point.
All right, welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Ava. Today, why mistakes are actually your best friend.
Let's start with a couple of words.
Vocabulary preview.
Okay, the first word today is mistake.
A mistake is something you do wrong by accident.
So, like my Spanish yesterday?
Exactly. That was a mistake, Andrew.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Andrew, what happened?
I made a mistake. I sent the wrong email.
Okay. I'm not really upset, but that's a mistake, doing something wrong by accident. Listen, I made a mistake on my test.
And don't worry, everyone makes mistakes.
Right. Everyone makes mistakes. That's normal.
So, a mistake is not on purpose.
Correct. On purpose means you wanted to do it. A mistake? No. Accident.
Got it. Remember, mistake.
Now the second word, afraid.
Afraid? What does afraid mean?
Afraid means you feel scared or worried about something. Andrew, is there a spider over there?
What? Where? I'm afraid of spiders.
See? No, a spider. But he's afraid. Afraid means scared.
She is afraid to speak in class.
And don't be afraid to try new things. Remember that one.
So afraid is like the opposite of brave.
Yes. Brave is the opposite of afraid. Good connection.
Okay. Afraid. Scared. Got it. Now let's hear these words in a real conversation. All right, let's hear today's dialogue. Slowly the first time.
Leo, I don't want to speak today.
Why not? What's wrong?
I'm afraid to make a mistake.
That's okay, Maya. Mistakes are normal.
But I feel so embarrassed when I'm wrong.
I felt embarrassed too. Everyone does.
Really? You have so much courage.
No, I just keep going after a mistake.
Okay, I want to try. I have courage.
Yes, keep going. I'm proud of you.
So Maya and Leo are studying English together at a cafe,
And Maya really doesn't want to speak today.
right? She says, I'm afraid to make a mistake.
Poor Maya, I've been there. That feeling is so real.
And then she says she feels embarrassed when she's wrong.
Did you hear Leo? He says, I felt embarrassed too.
Yeah, everyone does. That's so nice to say.
And at the end, Maya says, I have courage. Love that.
All our preview words showed up. Mistake, afraid, embarrassed, courage.
And that's okay. And keep going too. Leo used them perfectly.
Okay, let's learn two more useful words in language takeaway.
Language takeaway.
Okay, language takeaway time. First word, embarrassed.
Embarrassed. It's how you feel when others see you do something wrong.
Like a bad feeling in front of people.
Exactly. Okay, Andrew, let's try it. Oh no, I just called the waiter by the wrong name. I'm so embarrassed.
Oh, don't feel embarrassed, Ava. It's just a name.
Okay, breaking character. Embarrassed. That's our word.
Right. So in the dialogue, Maya felt embarrassed in the cafe.
And remember, mistake from the preview? Mistakes make us feel embarrassed.
One usage note, say I feel embarrassed, not I am embarrassed.
Always add the ed. Embarrassed. The opposite. Proud.
Great. So, embarrassed. Got it. Next word.
Next word is courage. It's a noun.
Courage. Is that like being brave?
Yes. Courage is the strength to do something even when you're scared.
Ooh. Okay. Role play. Ava, I can't speak English in class. I'm too scared.
Andrew, you have courage. Just try. It's okay to make mistakes.
Breaking character. Courage. You need courage to speak a new language.
Leo showed courage in the dialogue. He kept trying.
Usage note. Say have courage or show courage. Don't say be courage.
The related word, courageous. That's the adjective. But courage is enough for now.
So, courage. It takes courage to learn English. I love that.
You and our listeners, you all have courage. Really. Let's listen to the dialogue again, this time at normal speed.
Now listen again at normal speed.
Leo, I don't want to speak today.
Why not? What's wrong?
I'm afraid to make a mistake.
That's okay, Maya. Mistakes are normal.
But I feel so embarrassed when I'm wrong.
I felt embarrassed too. Everyone does.
Really? You have so much courage.
No, I just keep going after a mistake.
Okay, I want to try. I have courage.
Yes, keep going. I'm proud of you.
Fluency Builder.
Okay, Fluency Builder time. First phrase. That's okay.
That's okay means a mistake or problem is not a big deal.
So when do I say it?
When someone makes a mistake and you want to forgive them.
Okay, let's break it down. That is okay. Okay means fine, good.
Right. So that's okay means this is fine, no problem.
Let's try it. Ava, sorry, I used the wrong word.
That's okay. You can try again.
See? Short, friendly, easy. That's okay.
Another one, you forget someone's name. That's okay, don't worry.
It's casual. Use it with friends, classmates, coworkers.
Not in a formal email, though, just in conversation.
Remember that phrase. That's okay. It's so useful. Next phrase. Keep going.
Keep going means don't stop. Continue trying.
When do I say it?
When you want to encourage someone, push them forward.
Break it down. Keep means continue. Going means moving forward.
So keep going. Continue moving. Don't stop.
Ava, I feel embarrassed. I want to stop practicing.
No, keep going. Remember, feeling embarrassed is okay.
Oh, and remember embarrassed from earlier? That's okay. Keep going.
Yes, the two phrases work great together. So natural.
Another situation, your friend is running a race. Keep going.
Casual, warm. Use it with friends, not in a formal meeting.
All right, time for a quick chat before we go. So, Ava, are you an embarrassed person?
Oh, yes, I get embarrassed very easily. I made a mistake at a restaurant last week.
Oh no. Were you afraid to go back?
A little. But I had courage. I went back.
Good for you. That's okay, right? Just go back. Okay, let's quickly review today's words and phrases. Mistake.
Something you do wrong by accident.
Afraid.
Feeling scared or worried about something.
Embarrassed.
Feeling bad because others saw your mistake.
Courage.
The strength to act even when you're scared.
That's okay?
You say it when a mistake is not a big deal.
And keep going.
You say it to encourage someone to continue trying.
That's it for today. Great episode, Ava.
Thanks for listening. Try using one of these words today.
See you next time. Bye.